Well, I thought it might be fun to do some fun faces and do a little improvising. And the way you do this is just get a paper and pencil or whatever, and then draw a shape, just like I've drawn here. Now I'm going to turn that shape into a face, and so I'm going to look at it, and then I'm going to try to decide where I want to go with it. In this case, I'm going to add a nose. It's going to kind of follow the curve of that face, and a couple of eyes. Very simple eyes, nothing really detailed. Got to add a couple of ears here. And let's give him a mouth. Just a curved line there with a little bottom lip and a little line in between, and then some eyebrows. And let's give him some hair. I'm kind of close to the top of my paper there, so I've got to scrunch his hair down. But there we go. I'm going to give him a little tiny neck. And let's draw a t-shirt for him. I'm going to make an arm with a hand. Easy way to draw hands is just draw kind of a mitten shape if you don't want to go into all of the detail. It's fun, it's easy, and everybody figures out those are hands. You don't have to draw every finger. Okay, I'm going to work the t-shirt down a little bit further, and that's as far as I'm going to go. Okay, let's do another one. I'm going to clear that off. And it's one of the downsides of digital art is it doesn't always cooperate with you. So I've got to go in and erase here. In the meantime, you can get a new piece of paper if you want, or flip it over. And again, just the trick with this is to not think too much, just draw a shape. So I'm going to draw another shape here. Let's see what we got. Okay, got kind of a curvy. Let's do some points and down. Okay, what can we make out of that? Well, I like that bottom chin, so I'm going to make the mouth kind of curvy like that. And put a little bit of a bottom lip there. And I'm going to give him kind of a big nose. And then really tiny eyes here. Okay, that's one of the fun things with drawing fun faces is just experiment with the features. Okay, with the ears, now that ear, I didn't plan it that way, but that ear came out kind of pointy. So I'm going to draw another pointy one there. And I might as well draw kind of the inner part there and make it even more pointy. Give him some eyebrows. And you know what? I think I've got like an elf or something, or a leprechaun. I'm going to give him just some scraggly hair here. Again, the idea here isn't to get every detail right. It's just to have some fun drawing the face. I'm going to give him a thick neck. I think he's a little short guy, kind of short and squat. And I'm going to give him some ragged clothes. Let's give him I'll do his arm first. And then once I've done that, I'm going to give kind of a sleeveless t-shirt look. And let's go over the other side. Notice I'm not really worrying too much about the anatomy here, not trying to get everything just right. Just having fun. You can learn more in drawing just by playing and having fun than just about anything. So that's my second one. That's an elf. All right, let's clear that. Do one more. And let's see what kind of a shape I get this time. Whoa, that is a weird shape. How do you make a face out of that? Okay. Well, let's see. I am going to make my nose kind of follow that bottom curve there. Give him kind of big wings of the nose, little tiny frowny face. And I'm going to give him really tall eyes. Whoa, and he almost, at this point, he looks kind of angry. Whoa, okay. Kind of put his eyebrows down a little bit. You know what? I think I'm going to give him half moon glasses. So let's add him some lenses there. Now he's got to have something to hang his glasses on, so I better give him an ear. And there we go. Let's do another one. Maybe just a little bit of an ear because we're seeing the head at an angle, so we wouldn't see as much. What about hair? Well, I think he's kind of bald, so I'm going to give him a little hair on top and a little bit behind each ear. And let's see, he's kind of let's put in cheekbone. He's kind of a professor. I'm going to give him a really long neck here and have an Adam's apple that's kind of sticking out there. And let's give him a collar instead of a t-shirt. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna give him a necktie, but I didn't draw the collar right, so I'm just gonna kind of color it in here. Maybe he's had a long day and he's kind of unbuttoned his collar and has loosened his tie a little bit. He's a bit frazzled. He looks kind of tired. So that's gonna be the end of his day. So, and there is our professor. Okay, those are 3 fun faces. You don't have to try these ones. What I would encourage you to do is try a shape or 2 of your own and just make a face out of it. And the key here is don't spend a lot of time erasing and correcting. Just draw it, and whatever it is, it is. So what are you going to draw? All you need are just some basic shapes and, throw in some ears, throw in a little head there. Cartooning isn't that difficult. It's kind of fun, especially when you just relax and enjoy yourself and have a good time with it. So I've got my little guy here, and I don't know what he is, but I'm going to give him a little hair behind each ear and a little curly on top. And he is telling you something very important. What he's telling you is have fun. And I will see you next time with some more fun faces.